hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle of today's additional in the daily newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, June the 29th, 2021. We have here a binary puzzle. Number one, yes, binary puzzle, and this will be a number 3021. Yes, and what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Well, it's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, an 8 by 8 a binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Number one, here no, there no. Now we have 4 O's. So the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two O's comes in 1. Between two ones comes an O. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have now, so the rest are O's. Between two O's comes in 1. Then between two O's comes in 1. Now we have 4 ones in this row, so the rest are O's. Do we need to compare now? Let me see. Yeah. This column and that column. Oh, empty box. 1, 1, oh, 1, 1, 1, 1, oh, empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here. This should be an O. We have an O there. This should be a 1. Alright. And now, do we need to compare again? Let me see. Okay. 10101. This row and that row. Alright. Empty box. 1100110011 empty box. So we need to switch these two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Alright, double O here, 1 there, 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Then 4 ones we have in this row, so the rest are O's. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be an O. This should be a 1. Double 1, here, no, there, no. Then, let me see. 1, 2, 3. 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, same story, then we have 3 O's in a row in this column. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this cannot be a 1. This should be an O. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 4 ones we have in this column, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have in this row, so the rest are 1s. And then, I think we need to compare. Let me see. This column is almost the same as that column. 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, empty box. Oh, okay. So I need to compare this one. Okay. How about this one? 0, 0, double O here. No. Double one here. Double O. No. Okay. How about this? Double 101. No. This one. Double O. Do we have a double O here? No. Interesting. Uh, well. Well. Publisher. 1, 2, 3. Uh, hmm. I'm stuck. I think I'm stuck. True. What's happening? I cannot compare. Well. Do we have two solutions? No. O and a 1. O and a 1. Okay. So need to choose. Yeah. So can I compare this column and that column? Do I have a need to compare this again, this column again with that column. Okay. 0 empty box 1 1. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Double O here, 1 there, 1. Okay, now I compare those two boxes. Sorry, not boxes, columns. Because we have here 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 1 0 0 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those two digits. We have a 1 here, this should be an O. We have an O there, this should be a 1. Now we have 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. We have here 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Finish in 8 minutes. Alright. Well, I thought it was this puzzle a little bit complicated, but it seems okay. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other puzzle, the tectonic, the last puzzle of today. Yes, see you then. Bye bye for now.